like that, Gurudev, and when Gurudev was a child, his father had this very important looking briefcase, and his father would take it to work, okay, every single day. And one day Gurudev removed all his files, all his office work and all his files from that, and he filled the suitcase, the briefcase, with all his own toys. So when his father went to work, he opened his briefcase to take out his papers, and what does he see? Gurudev's toys there. So Gurudev has done this also as a child.
That is very funny.
That's funny, no? It's a nice story.
Yes. Please share one of your story with Gurudev.
Okay. I told that I was very shy and all that. So even when I came to Gurudev, I came to the ashram and I was still very shy. And I remember Gurudev then, one day telling me that I have not called you here to be a sheep. I've called you here to be a tigress. So you should handle life with strength and with courage. And that really helped me, because I was to feel, oh, I want to hide under the table. I want to run away behind a chair. I don't want to show my face to anybody. But that really helped me. He said, you've come here to be a tigress. And I have lots of stories. So someday we will talk about them.
Okay.
What else?
Do you do Kriya every day? Why should we do Kriya every day?
I'll tell you something. Why I do Kriya every day, I don't know about other people. I don't think in the last 23 years I have missed, maybe I missed Kriya 2-3 days in the last 23 years. And the days that I have missed Kriya, I feel very low. I don't feel good about myself. I don't feel strong. I don't feel confident. I don't feel happy. And I think all of us know on this show, we all want to feel strong, right? Give me a thumbs up. Yeah? You want to feel happy, right? Yes? You want to feel confident? Yes? You want to feel relaxed and light? Yes? All of us want to feel good, no? So that is the main reason why we should do Kriya every single day, because we want to feel good about ourselves. Correct? Yes? You want to feel good, know about yourself. So that is why you should do Kriya every day. And I'm telling you, in 23 years, maybe 3 days I have missed doing Kriya. Those 3 days I didn't feel good. So you can try it as an experiment. Don't do Kriya for 1 or 2 days. You'll know how you feel. And the days you do Kriya, you feel wonderful. So what gift?
What message try to give all the children?
Oh, message, okay.
Actually, I don't have any message, but I just want you all to keep smiling. Let me see all your smiles on the screen. I'm going to do the gallery view. And those who are on the Facebook page also, everyone smile, okay? So I want to see this smile forever on all your faces. This is my message for you, that you have to keep smiling. And also what I would like you, one is keep smiling. Second is, I want you to take up some seva activity in your life. Like once a week or once a month. Anything, once a week or once a month, but make it a part of your life. You find some seva activity around you. That is one. So one is keep smiling. Second is seva. And the third thing that I want you to do is to always, always respect your parents. These are the 3 messages that I want to give you. Okay?
Wow, so nice.
And respect your parents.
Moon.
Beautiful.
Birthday.
May 13th.
Food.
Delicious.
Game.
Hopscotch.
Movies.
Movies. Fun.
Parents.
The world.
Sister.
Darling.
Family.
Again the world.
Fun. Fun.
Fun. Friends.
Studies.
Good fun.
Monkey.
You both.
Exam.
Good fun.
Sweet.
Yummy.
Gift.
Hmm?
Gift.
Gift. Gurudev.
Prayer.
Prayer. Every day, every minute is a prayer.
Smile.
Beautiful.
Beauty.
Everywhere in the world. Everywhere.
Celebration.
What?
Celebration.
Every day.
Magic.
Magic. Everything in the world has magic. Everything is magical.
Wonder.
Rainbows.
Life.
Wonder.
God.
Breath.
Gurudev.
God.
Done.
Done?
Good
Okay.
job.
How did I do?
Yes. 10 out of 10.
Wow, thank you.
These are all Guruji's children. They practice Kriya, they do intuition, all such. So lucky.
So creative and so nicely done. Very nice.
Can I ask a riddle?
Yes, ask a riddle, but I'll never know the answer, but you can ask.
What has 2 legs but cannot walk?
What has 2 legs but cannot walk? I don't know. Tell me.
Our pants can't walk, but it is legs.
Correct, correct. True. Very nice riddle. Good.
How many letters are there in alphabets?
26. Oh, an alphabet. A, L, A, B, E, T. A. Correct?
Correct. Imagine you are in a room that is filling with water. There are no windows or doors. How do you get out?
I don't know. Tell me.
Imagining.
Stop imagining.
So bad, but you guys are good with the riddle. What else?
2 children are born on the same day by the same mother, but they are not twins. Why?
I don't know.
Because they are triplets.
Okay. What else?
That's it for the riddles.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm very bad with riddles, but it's okay. I like them.
It made all of us laugh.
Yeah, they were nice, good riddles. Sure.
Okay, so this kid was asked, when did you meet Gurudev first?
I met him first in 97 in Rishikesh. 1997. It was many, many, many years before any of you were born.
Oh, wow.
Hmm.
And then there is this kid who has asked how to be beautiful like you.
Ayo, I don't know. I'm doing Kriya every day. So doing Kriya every day will definitely make anybody look beautiful.
And there is this question that I got on WhatsApp from a kid in Delhi
Mhm.
who has been watching the show on Facebook.
Mhm.
She's saying that we know that you know 5 languages. Can
Mhm.
you please teach us how to say I love you, Gurudev, in 5 languages?
Okay, English is very easy. I love you, Gurudev.
Yes.
Then in Hindi, you say, मैं आपको बहुत प्यार करती हूँ गुरुदेव. હું તમને બહુ પ્યાર કરું છું ગુરુદેવ in Gujarati. मी तुम्हाला खूप प्रेम करते गुरुदेव in Marathi. Je vous aime beaucoup gurudev in French.
Thank you so much for coming to the show, Didi, and we're really humbled and we're really happy that you took out so much time for us. It was supposed to be half an hour. You spent extra time with us. I'm sure you loved being here,
I
and
love it.
you loved it. Thank you so much. And children have so loved this. I'm sure they want you coming back again and again.
I would love to. I love the show so much. And thank you to Darshan, Tanush also. I loved it. You guys really grilled me. I was very nervous in the beginning, but you made me very comfortable. So thank you so much. And thank you all of you for watching. So keep smiling, keep shining. And thank you, Hetal, for inviting me. It was lovely for me to be on the show.
Thank you. Thank you. We are humbled.